my first ever Lego review. Let's do it. From No Way Home. This is a box art. It's pretty cool. The set. I got some figures. Spider-Man. The Vance suit. I'm pretty sure. I don't know the full name. MJ. Wand. Doctor Strange. My first ever Doctor Strange. And Wand. Fire pieces for Spider-Man. Extra pieces. Little crab guy. And onto the set. There's a box of crystals in it. A little desk, work table. A red sofa with a game controller. Cool. A bike. Don't know why they would need a bike, but they do. This thing, don't know what it's called. A gaming setup. One gets that GTA in. A monster chest. Sorry about my shaky hand. It's really shaky. An egg. That, whatever it is, that posts, Bobby Possums, a red crystal, a camera. You might be a gamer. One's a gamer. A work desk. The thingy from the movie. And then whatever that is, there's a scorpion. I will rate this set a 10 out of 10. Goodbye. Like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.